Beetroots, or simply beets, are nutritious root vegetables that offer a range of health benefits. Here are some of the key advantages of including beetroots in your diet.
Nutrient roots are a good source of essential nutrients, including vitamins such as vitamin C and folate, minerals, potassium and manganese, and heart health. The nitrates in beetroots may help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Consuming beetroots regularly has been associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. Beetroots contain betalains, which are antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help reduce inflammation in the body. Nitrates in beetroots can enhance athletic performance by increasing oxygen utilization, improving stamina, and reducing the oxygen cost of exercise. Many athletes consume beetroot juice as a natural performance enhancer. Key is digestive health. The fiber in beetroots supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Cancer prevent this. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in beetroots may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, although more research is needed in this area. Beetroots contain compounds that support liver detoxification processes, helping the body eliminate toxins. Nitrates in beetroots may have positive effects on cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain. This could potentially benefit conditions such as dementia. Beetroots are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially aiding in weight management. Skin health. The antioxidants in beetroots may contribute to healthy skin by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. It's important to note that while beetroots offer numerous health benefits, individual responses to foods can vary. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet.